Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So today's video topic is if you are facing slow and a lag issue on your Windows 10. In this video, I will show you 3 steps to boost up or increase your Windows 10 performance. So let's start. First, click on your Windows icon and now type disk cleanup. Click on this option, this app, disk cleanup. Now select all the options one by one. Select all the options, then click on OK. So this option will delete only your temporary files, all the junk files. Click on delete files. That's it. Now move on to our next step. Right click on a taskbar, then click on task manager. Now click on this option, more details. Now you will see this tab, startup. Click on it. In my system, I don't have much startup applications, but if you have, disable all the startup applications one by one. These are the applications which runs in the background and slow down your system performance. So right click, then click on disable. Disable all the startup applications one by one. That's it. Now move on to our final step. Again, click on your Windows icon and now type View Advanced System Settings. You will see this option, View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. Now click on this Advanced tab. In the Performance column, click on Settings. Now select the third option, Adjust for the best performance. Select this option. After that, enable some features. That's it. Click on apply, then click on OK. After that, restart your system and you will see a boost up in your Windows 10 performance. So these are the 3 powerful steps which help you to boost up your Windows 10. This is all for the video. Thank you.